Good morning, students. Today you will learn the topic definite integration. In this topic, integration as a limit of sum is not in syllabus. Now, exercise 9.9. Students, see the logic. It is 7.9 in your syllabus. Now, student, in the definite integration there is a limit. A is called the lower limit, B is the upper limit. It is the lower limit, B is the upper limit. And it is a function fx dx. Students, see the method to solving the definite integration. Student, let there is an integration fx dx. Its result is capital Fx plus c. So after solving the indefinite integration, we will apply the limit this way. Limit a to b fx dx is equal to, it is capital Fx plus c and lower limit a, upper limit b. Now we will introduce the limit. It is fb plus c minus f a minus c. Here c cancel, so it is fb minus fa. See the example. Let there is integration 0 to 1 upon 1 plus x square dx. Student, you know the integration of 1 upon 1 plus x square, which is tan inverse x. And it is 0 to 1. Now we introduce upper limit first. Tan inverse 1 minus lower limit tan inverse 0. Tan inverse 1 is pi by 4, tan inverse 0 is 0, so answer is pi by 4. This way we will solve the definite integration without using property. Now come on the exercise. Question number 1. Evaluate the definite integration in exercise 1 to 20. So question number 1 is minus 1 to 1 x plus 1 dx. It's a very simple question. Integration of x is x square upon 2. Integration of 1 is x. Then apply the limit minus 1 to 1. Put the upper limit 1 square upon 2 plus 1 minus 1 square, which is 1 upon 2 minus 1. Then it is 1 upon 2 plus 1 minus 1 upon 2 plus 1 is cancelled and result is 2. Then same is question number 2. Here limit 2 to 3 1 upon x dx. Integration of 1 upon x is log x. Limit 2 to 3. Then it is log 3 minus log 2. Or we can write log of 3 by 2. Question number 4 is same. Question number 3 is same. Then question number 4. There is 0 to pi by 4 sine of 2x dx. Integration of sine 2x is minus cos 2x upon 2. Then introduce the limit 0 to pi by 4. Minus 1 upon 2, take common, cos 2 into pi by 4 minus cos 0. It is 1 upon 2, cos of pi by 2, cos 0 is 1, minus 1 upon 2, cos pi by 2 is 0, minus 1, so answer is 1 upon 2. Student, question 5, 6, 7 are very simple. 8 is also simple. Still I am telling, integration pi by 6 to pi by 4 cosec x dx. Student, integration of cosec x is log mod cosec x minus cot x. Then introduce the limit. It is pi by 6 to pi by 4. Then it is log mod cosec pi by 4 minus cot pi by 4 minus log mod cosec pi by 4 pi by 6 minus cot pi by 6. Then it is log cosec pi by 4 is root 2, cot pi by 4 1 minus log cosec pi by 6, it is 2 minus cot pi by 6 is 30 degree, cot 30 is root 3. Then you can write it cot mod root 2 minus 1 upon 2 minus root 3. No need to simplify more. Now question number 12. There is 0 to pi by 2 cos square x dx. Student, you know, whenever we will integrate cos square x, we will use the formula 1 plus cos 2x upon 2 dx. Then take 1 by 2 common out, 0 to pi by 4, pi by 2, it is 1 plus cos of 2x dx. Then integrate it. It is 1 upon 2, integration of 1 is x, integration of cos 2x is sin 2x upon 2. Then introduce the limit 0 to pi by 2. Now 1 upon 2, now we will put the upper limit 1 upon 2 sin of pi minus lower limit 0 plus 1 upon 2 sin 0. Then it is 1 upon 2, it is pi by 2, sin pi is 0, it is 0, this is also 0. Our answer is pi by 4.